Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to Do It Is Guy tutorial. Today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial. I'm going to show you once you publish a Facebook post on your profile, you may need to change the photo once you upload it. So let me show you how to change uploaded photo without losing all the likes and comments and everything. So you have to log to your Facebook account and go to your profile. I'm going to select this post and you can see it has 68 likes and one comment. So I'm going to change this image with this image just for this tutorial. Okay, alright, so this is how you do it. This is very easy actually. So you see this icon here, you click on this one and go to edit post. Once you click edit post, you are presenting with this window. Here we can see the picture that already with the post, and with this plus mark you can add more pictures. So here the trick is I'm gonna add the new picture here, and then I'm gonna close this picture. So I'm gonna click this plus mark and I'm gonna select this image and click open, and now we can see two images here. And then I'm gonna click this cross mark on this first picture, and then I'm gonna click save, and let me refresh my profile. And now if we go to here, see, now the picture is changed and you can see all the likes and comments are there as it is. So friends, so this is how we do it. Remember, this method only works on your personal profile, and currently it's not working on Facebook pages, unfortunately. So hope you found this tutorial useful, and let's meet on another tutorial.